with Sean, but he wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and to Nick I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing, loved and I've lost. That's not what I see. Look what I found, look what you taught me, and for that I'll say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Say thank you next. Say thank you next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Thank you next. Thank you next. Thank you next. One day I'll walk down the aisle, holding hands with my mama. We'll be thinking about dad, cause we grew from the drama. Only wanna do it once real bad, gonna make that stuff last. God forbid something happens, at least the song is a smash. I got so much love, I got so much patience. I've learned from the pain, I turned out amazing. I've loved and I've lost, that's not what I see. Look what I found, ain't no need for searching, and for that I'll say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Say thank you next. Say thank you next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex.
No, not you.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, a little bit right though. At night she's screaming. She'll make you curse, but she's a blessing. She'll rip your shirt within a second. You'll be coming back for seconds with your play. You just can't help it, no. You'll play along, let her lead you on. You'll be singing no, then saying yes, cause she's messing with your head. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Got the top gun kinda crazy, she's poison but tasty. Now people say run, don't walk away. She's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. You're just like me, you're out your mind. I know it's strange, we're both the crazy kind. You're telling me that I'm insane, but don't pretend that you don't love the pain. A little bit psycho, at night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Got the cop gun kinda crazy, she's poison but tasty. Now people say run, don't walk away. She's hot but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. Comparisons are easily done once you've had a taste of perfection, like an apple hanging from a tree. I picked the ripest one, I still got the seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you. Thinking of you. Yes! What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night.
and I was burned. Oh, I think you should
What you would do if you burst in the door and take me away. No more mistakes, 'cause in your eyes I'd like to stay.
Take it off! Take it off!
Take it off!
Stand-up comedian and roast master, Nikki Glazer!
Oh! You got it! Oh my God, you got it!
Our clue expert,
Jenny knew.
our queen. Wow! Nicely done, Jenny. Wow! First of all, let's talk about the amazing voice on
Great
Nikki
job,
Glazer.
Nikki.
Thank you.
Woo! Yeah! You're hilarious, you're amazing on all the shows that you host and have, but singing, that was really one of your dreams.
It was. It was the first dream I ever had in wanting to be a performer, and it was squashed at such a young age, and it just became something that was not attainable to me. So when this opportunity came up, it was so perfect because I think what held me back was the fact that I knew I was a comedian. Everyone's just like, don't sing. No one wants to hear that. It's like Michael Jordan playing baseball. Like, no one needs that from you. Like, go do what you're good at. And so this show really allowed me to like forget all of the, you know, insecurities I had around singing and really explore my voice. And it's something I'm so excited to keep doing after this.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something, Nikki? You are so incredibly talented. You're funny, we all know that, but your voice is so beautiful, and I hope you know now that you got it.
Thank you, Jenny.
Yeah.
Yes, you can do it all. You are the consummate entertainer, and you know how much I love you. You know how much of a big fan I am of you.
Too.
You're,
Thank
you're
you
just
so
incredible.
much. You guys are so sweet.
Yeah, I mean that with all my heart.
I'm really excited, Nikki, for you to make an album where you can show your beautiful voice and make it fun and humorous as well.
Thank you so much, Nicole. Thank you. Robin, what do you think?
Yeah, Robin, what do you think?
Waiting for you.
I honestly thought you had the greatest challenge because of the thing behind you. You know, you had to carry like...
Nick?
Me or the snowflake?
No, this was a lot, yeah.
Yes, heavy.
Well, I thought you were amazing, and congratulations.
Thank you so
Absolutely.
much. Thank you, Robin.
Well, it has been a true pleasure and a joy having you on our show. So much fun, making us laugh, keeping us on our
Oh,
toes.
this is so